All right, we're going to be talking about volume and surface area of spheres today. So spheres is like a basketball, a balloon could be a sphere, any kind of ball, anything that is round and three-dimensional is a sphere. So when we look at the formulas for a sphere, we have volume, which is 4/3 pi r cubed. And if you want to know the reason behind this, that's kind of why I showed you the video on the first page. I'll do another short video on the explanation of that for some of you that might want to know. Surface area is 4 pi r squared. So when we are doing surface area and volume of spheres, why do we not have to find the lateral area of a sphere? This question is worded very funny. I don't know what I was thinking when I wrote that, but why do we not have to find the lateral area? Why is there not a lateral area for a sphere? There's no bottom. There's no side. There's no top and bottom that wouldn't be included. Lateral area, remember lateral area is the sides. There isn't a lateral, just a lateral area because there is no base. It's round, right? There's no beginning or end points. So it's just round. So that's why there's no lateral area. In the three balls we have here, we have a basketball, just a round ball, maybe a bowling ball. We have a radius of 4, a diameter of 8, and a radius of 4. Are all of these the same? Yeah, they're all the same. The radius for all of them is 4. So is the volume and surface area of all three of the spheres above the same? How do you know? Yes, because the radius is the same. Knowing the radius is 4. And I'm going to add inches. I should have had it up here. On the worksheet you have in the classroom, it'll have inches on there. So how can we find the volume and the surface area? Volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. And surface area, we use the formula 4 pi r squared. So when I use the formulas, all I need to do is plug in the radius. Everything else goes right into the calculator. I'm going to move it up and I'm going to do volume first. So volume is 4/3 pi 4 cubed. You can put that totally in the calculator all by itself. Or you can do a little bit of math first and say 64 pi 4/3 and then put it in the calculator. And when you put it in the calculator, you get 268.1 inches cubed. Now let's look at surface area. So surface area is 4 pi 4 squared. When you do 4 squared, you get 16 pi times 4. 4 times 16 is 64 pi, which equals 201.1 inches squared. Remember, surface area is inches squared and volume is inches cubed. Now I went over this question, but we can answer it really quick. When would you need to find the volume or surface area of a sphere? When would you need to find the volume or a surface area of a sphere? So remember, volume is what's going inside, and surface area is the outside. So what needs to be filled in a sphere? Maybe the air in the basketball. When would you need to know surface area? The outside. Maybe you're painting something that's a sphere. If you have any questions, you may send us a remind text or a note on Classroom or an email. We are always here to help you. Please let us know if you need help. Have a great day.